What we got for you today, guys, is a Ford Mustang. Absolutely incredible car. It sounds amazing, especially the GT models. We've done quite a few of those, and it sounds incredible when you delete the back boxes. Not to mention the cat and stuff like that. Now, this one's a 2019 plate, and it's not a GT as such. 2 litre, not sounding all that beefy, so it was dropped off. All I got from the driver was just make it sound good, just make it sound good. So we got it on the ramp, had a look at it. Both the back boxes, huge back boxes at the back, and it was obvious that we had to take those out to give it a bit more oomph, a bit more chance for it to breathe. And I'm sure you'll agree, it sounds absolutely incredible just with that. And not only that, with the resonators, you reduce the drone. So here we have the incredible, the beast, the American muscle. It is actually a 2018 plate and not the 2019 as I mentioned earlier. It is in pearl white. Looks incredible in this white with that spoiler and the color-coded diffuser. Really suits the car really well. Have a look at that interior, looks incredible. Really figure hugging. Very familiar Ford Mustang interior. The lights really elegantly illuminate the dash. Looks incredible at night. Feels good as well, feels well made. And the leather interior is really figure hugging. Beautiful. Just going to drive it on the ramp and let you have a quick listen to what it sounds like. But just struggled to get it on the ramp, a bit too far to the left, so we're just going to straighten the vehicle up. It is extremely long at the front, so it takes a little while getting used to driving these things. Yeah, it's too far to the left, so we really need to position it correctly so we can get better access to the exhaust. Let's get this bad boy up in the air. Let's have a quick look what it looks like underneath. As you can see, some huge back boxes, massive, weighing the car down. So I'll get them off, lighten the car, just the middle section, let the car breathe. And you've got your resonator in the center, which will reduce the drone. Looks incredible from underneath, but could do with jazzing it up with some fresh tailpipes. Getting rid of these boxes which will reduce the weight, no doubt. 2.5 inch pipe with a center resonator, then gets turned into one with the secondary and primary cats. We'll start off by cutting the boxes off and let you have a look how much space it creates. Yeah, I mean, you'll be surprised how much weight we've reduced by getting these off. They weigh about at least 15-20 kg each, so you can imagine. Look at this space these boxes have left. Can you imagine how much weight we have reduced Not only is that going to increase your fuel efficiency, but also increase your performance by 10-15% more.
Yeah, go on, let's see.
We'll start fabricating the pipe work and then get the tailpipe on. I'll let you have a quick listen to what it sounds like before we do any of that. Once the pipe work is done, it will obviously get refined. Check those out. These weigh 20 kg each almost, if I'm not mistaken. They're massive, massive. But before we do anything, we'll let you have a quick listen to what it sounds like without the boxes. You can already hear it. It's a lot more deeper, more intense. Already sounds incredible. A lot better than when it come in. Just going to quickly finish off welding the final tailpipe on and then let you have a listen to what it sounds like now. It already looks incredible. Really stands out from the back right now. Those tailpipes really suits the car. Definitely suits the car. Should have come out like that from the factory, no doubt. Yeah, that's just perfect. See the pipe work. Looks incredible. Looks incredible. So let's have a quick listen to what it sounds like now with the pipe work all done with those tailpipes. That sounds absolutely insane! Yeah, so you're good to go. Drive it out. Now take the boxes. Okay, sit down. Go for it.